that quick update. Well, it's expiry day and Anuj joins us to fill us in with how he's reading trade setup. Morning, Anuj.
Morning, Nigel. Well, you know what? Yesterday was a very interesting day because it was literally Reliance versus others. Reliance contributed almost 80 points of that 120-point rally that we had. And because of that, the Nifty managed to breach that congestion zone. But still not able to breach the bigger congestion zone. And the Bank Nifty, despite the late surge because of HDFC Bank, still remained in that range that we had discussed. But for the last 2 days, what's been interesting is that mid-cap index has started to do well. Though the market breadth has not been great, but at least the index has started to outperform. So that could be a very interesting thing going forward. The only problem for the market has been IT index. That's become decisively weak. Ever since that Accenture guidance cut, and considering it was for August and that Accenture had reported, we started to see, and ahead of earnings season, IT become a bit nervous. The index is below 20, 50 and 100-day moving average. HDFC Bank surged yesterday. It was Bank Nifty's expiry. Today's Nifty's expiry. So let's see if there can be a bit of an encore. That would be important. Coming to levels now on the Nifty, it's expiry day, so it's likely to respect that options range. 22,193 and 22,242. Those are the two levels I'm watching out for on the upside in terms of resistance. And on the downside, the supports are at 22,052 and 21,985. The Bank Nifty now no longer has the baggage of expiry. Here you have a range 46,600 to 47,000, and then the bigger range is 46,200 to 47,400. As always, I'll leave you with a small trivia quote for the day. Today is 88th day of the calendar, which means it's the World Piano Day because you have 88 keys on a piano. And the quote comes from Tom Lehrer. Life is like a piano. What you get out of it depends on how you play it.
Thank you very much for that. Reminds me of another quote. Life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get, but I guess, music is music and chocolates are chocolates. Thank you very much for joining in.